Have you ever noticed how the first words you think of in the morning set the mood for the entire day? In this video, I'll show you how using simple, positive words can create a ripple effect of happiness, focus, and success. Define the problem. Many of us wake up with stressful thoughts like, I'm already behind or I'm so tired. This sets a negative tone before the day even begins. What if you replace these with empowering phrases instead? I remember a period when my mornings felt rushed and overwhelming. Then I tried this. Every morning, I wrote down 3 affirmations like, I am enough, and repeated them. In just a week, I noticed a huge difference in my energy and confidence. It's not just me. Studies show that positive affirmations activate the brain's reward centers, enhancing mood and motivation. Actionable tips. Create a morning mantra. Choose 3 affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them as you wake up. For example, I am capable, I attract success, or I am calm and centered. While saying these words, visualize yourself achieving your goals or feeling fulfilled. Use reminders. Place affirmations on your phone screen, mirror, or desk for reinforcement throughout the day. By starting your day with positive words, you set the stage for focus, confidence, and joy. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. As Maya Angelou said, if you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. Which affirmations will you try tomorrow? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more positivity.